Well, good Friday afternoon to you. Lord, good chilly Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home, The Sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough Good Friday, but I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, it's chilly. It's probably about 54 degrees out here, but it's nice. What I wanted to share with you and y'all is just a little garlic update. And I wanted to couple three other things. So give me a second. That's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we are at the garlic bed that I planted all of that soft neck garlic that Mark and Miss T sent me from Bumblebee Junction. What I did was I just went ahead and uncovered it just to see what was growing on. And look at there. There's a few others in here, can't really see them, but there's one right there. So what I'm going to tell you is that little experimente with soaking the garlic, I think it worked. Well, it must have worked because old Dan has never grown garlic over here at the home in the sticks. I planted 32 cloves of garlic in this bed right here, and I counted 17 that came up. So I don't know, I'm gonna say that's half. So that's not too bad. And I'm pretty pleased with it because again, I've never had any luck growing garlic over here. But what I'm probably gonna do is I'll probably just take this this mulch and put it back over this bed and put those them garlic cloves to sleep. So there's another one right there. So I'm pretty pleased with that. 17 out of 32, that ain't that not bad by my standards anyways. But what I'll say is this soil mixture is probably not the most optimum soil mixture for garlic. I don't know if I've told you and y'all this, but I actually had this mixture made up by a local nursery. It was supposed to be a raised bed mixture, but I don't think it was. A lot of pine frond in here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's pine frond. But it was not the soil mixture that I was thinking or I wanted. But since I bought it, I just went ahead and used it, and I've been amending this bed. I went ahead and added some composted organic humus, and last year, and probably a year before that, I added in some black cow manure into this, and I've amended it with some good potting mix soil or potting soil. So I'm slowly getting it better. But what I'll say is this mixture is probably not optimum or premium for growing garlic, but I got some garlic growing. So I'm pretty dang happy with that. Another thing I have done, and I'm trying to do this real quickly because it looks like the bottom's fitting to fall out over here again. And it's supposed to get a lot cooler. It's supposed to dip down into the low 40s tonight possibly. So I want to make sure I get this this garlic covered up. What I did do though is I actually harvested about another 1.5 pounds of pole beans. So you know what that means. It's pole bean cooking time. Look at there. About another 1.5 pounds. So thus far I've gotten 4 pickings off of the pole beans that I planted for the fall garden. Really happy with that. And I have a bunch of more habaneros, bunch of orange ones that I need to go ahead and harvest. I don't know if you see that, there it is. I need to get a bunch of those habaneros off. Maybe do some more habanero pepper sauce. And Lord, the garden of gourds, or the gourd forest is just gourding away. I don't know much about gourds, so I'm just gonna let them sit on the vine. And I guess when it comes time for them to come off, I guess they'll fall off, or maybe they'll dry on the vine. I've been watching some videos on gourds and how folks do it. They just leave them on the vine and just let them do their thing. Now, they'll dry or turn colors on the vine. I don't know, we'll just see what happens. Today is gonna be a short video, y'all, because it looks like the bottom finna fall out. But I wanted to show you give you an update on the outcome of the fall garlic that I planted over here at my home in the sticks. Looks like it's working. I think next year I'm gonna do up some different soil. I'll probably use that super soil that Mark and Miss T over at Bumblebee Junction put together. I'll probably try it in these raised beds and just see what happens. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. But I just wanted to show you that yes, the garlic is growing and old Dan's quite happy. And I got some pole beans to cook too. So y'all stand by for that recipe. I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Friday, a safe Friday. And if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give 'em a look. Because I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Reffrey, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. I guarantee you it's that important. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.